nandito tayo sa Banks Lighthouse campground, guys. So you can see here, there's at my back, there's a lighthouse. So we are going for a walk. You will see what's inside, what's around here, guys. So what are we waiting for?
Happy watching.
So ayan na, guys, bababa na tayo. Ayan, bababa na tayo, guys. Ayan, guys. So ayun yung ating lighthouse. So guys, ayan. Welcome to Banks Lighthouse. It's a lighthouse located on a headland in Carpenter Rocks, South Australia. Constructed in 1883, the original lighthouse was built from local limestone and stood 7.5 meters tall. The latter use was taken from the old MacDonnell Lighthouse, which was demolished in 1882. It also utilized removing white and red faces using 3 lamps, 2 white and 1 red. It was first used in 1883, but by May 1928, the structure was increased to 15 meters tall. Along with this upgrade came with the demanning of the light, while the caretaker's cottage was demolished.
Okay, so where the campgrounds are, that's where like the old buildings used to be. So that's the lighthouse there, like where the people live, actually below, like the hills. So it didn't get as much wind from
The lighthouse is on the South Australian Heritage Register as a state heritage place due to its significance in the country's maritime history. It has been monumental in assisting with ships navigation during the late 19th century, while its design represents advancements in lighthouse technology.
You actually like camp or have a carrot and especially if you look down, it kind of goes for a mile. So it's actually like very there's a lot of sand dunes that you can actually drive along.
Yeah, so all sand.
In the distance, you can see the windmills.
So that's the windmill.
Like close to
Banks Lighthouse is accessible to the public through a sealed road that takes you to Carpenter Rocks. From here, follow the unsealed road for the last few kilometers and you'll see the lighthouse. Since there are no guided tours, visitors can explore the area on their own. The lighthouse is open all year around.
but yeah, that's where the shipwrecks are. So you can't see the town, I think the town's over there. I think the town's going to be...
It's very blue, guys. There's a lot of seagulls there.
Seagulls there, you've got like rings and stuff, just a bit of so it's quite shallow water. You've got a lot of seaweed, it's actually not like a nice clean beach. So you don't get as much waves, but I think that's down there where South End is.
I think this one is good, guys, if it's very sunny but not kind of windy. Today is windy. windy. I'm not sure why. Maybe because of the water.
Oh, so the birds here, look, they actually go past the Philippines. They start from here and they fly past the Philippines and go off the coast of China and South Korea there. Yeah, they do the lap. Good times. So now we'll see how far we can get in the car. Go for some drive. So I don't know if it's operational, but I think it might be. There's more automated now.
Guys, ayun na yung lighthouse. So, nakita nyo, ayun siya, yung kulay orange. So, ngayon naman guys, ay pupunta naman tayo somewhere. Napakahangin sa labas guys, as in, ang hangin talaga, pero mainit siya ha. Ayan. So, walang tao. So far, kami lang ni Jackson nandito. Ayan. So, sand siya. Sa sand kayo talaga dadaan, guys. Hindi talaga sa concrete. Sand talaga siya. Buhangin. So, ayun na ulit, guys. Mamaya, ulit! So, that's it, guys. That's our Cape Banks Lighthouse na nakita nyo kanina here in South Australia, guys. So, you can see earlier, there's a big lighthouse there, and the history, the cottages, they also have, you will see also the beach there. So it's open 24 hours and there's no tour guide. You can explore the area and it's free. So mahangin lang that time kasi nga yung waves from the beach nakita nyo kanina, guys. So guys, that's the end of our Cape Banks Lighthouse for today's video. I hope you had fun. Thank you very much for watching, and mega love shout out to each wonderful, beautiful people of the universe. Thank you from the bottom of my heart. Talamus, please like if you did enjoy my video for today, and please do subscribe if you haven't yet, and don't forget to hit the bell button for you to get notified on my next video, and please comment down below if you like this video pa, and see you when I see you on my next one.